Hi everyone, this is Anjal Pathak and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to create custom color palette in Tableau. So as you know, we have few predefined colors already available in Tableau, but sometimes we need few extra colors or different types of colors as per the requirement of client, or maybe sometimes we need to showcase some subtle colors which are not present in the default color list of the Tableau. So that's where this custom color palette becomes very handy and useful. So let's move. Let's see. There are three types of color palettes which you can build. First one is the categorical. So categorical are mainly used for the discrete fields where you have basically different values for a particular category or particular dimension. And then for the continuous measures, we can have two types of color palettes. One is sequential, where only one color will be used for showing the intensity of the values of that measure. And then second one can be a diverging palette, where two colors will be used to show the intensity of the values which are present in that measure. So and now how to build this custom color palette. So I'll tell you, first step is to go to the My Tableau repository, which My Tableau repository is always present in the My Document. So just navigate to My Documents and then you will find a My Tableau repository folder over there. Just go in that folder. You will see this file preferences.tps. You have to open this with a notepad. So when you open this file with the notepad, you will see that this file is nothing but a HTML code. So basically we have to write everything within these two tags, workbook and end workbook, okay, to include the custom color palette. Now I already have written the code over here, but I'll walk you through this code, how to write this. So always start with preferences. So you have to include this preferences tag and here closing preferences tag. And within these preferences tags, you will have to include the color palette tags. So here if you see, this is nothing but the first color palette, which is categorical custom palette. So what you have to do is just start the tag and write the name color palette. Then name is equal to whatever name you want to give. This will appear in Tableau marks card. So I have given this as categorical custom palette, and type is equal to regular. Regular is for the categorical custom color palette. Okay. Then here I have given this hexadecimal codes for all the colors which I want to include in this palette. Okay, you can keep on increasing this color palette with as many colors as you want. Okay, I just included these four for representation purpose. Then I have started the second color palette. Again, you will start with the tag color palette. Name is equal to whatever name you want to give. I have chosen sequential custom palette. Then type, here I want ordered sequential. So this one is the single color intensity. So I have chosen all the shades of a single color over here, and then close this color palette. Again open third color palette. I have given a name which I wanted to see in the list. Then type is equal to ordered diverging. This is for the diverging intensity. So I have chosen two colors over here and they are different shades. Okay, and then I have closed this color palette, close the preferences tag, and then close the workbook. So this is my code and now this is ready. Okay, so I'll just close this and then I'll start the Tableau in Tableau instance. If you have Tableau instance open, then just close it and then again open it, because the changes which you have made will not be reflected unless you restart your Tableau. Now let's say I build a bar chart over here, department by sales, and then or maybe instead of department, I'll choose region, and then region in colors also. Now you'll see that this is the default color palette which Tableau generally assigns it. I don't like these colors, let's say. So I'll go to color here, edit colors, and just go here, select color palette. Now whichever color palettes you have included should appear here. And you see here, I have this categorical custom palette over here. I'll select this one. You see, these are the 4 colors which I have written in hexadecimal form. Just assign palette and click OK. Okay. Now I like this because these are subtle colors and not too flashy or very loud colors. Okay. So sometimes it could be the case that there are particular color codes which your client follows. So they will provide you with those hexadecimal codes. Then probably you will have to do the similar thing by including the hexadecimal codes in the preferences file. Okay. This one was the categorical. Now let's build the sequential. So I'll take the sales over here, and I'll deselect aggregate measures, and then put let's say sales in color. Okay, and then go to color here, edit colors, and go to here sequential custom palette. Okay, so this is my sequential custom palette. Okay, so although I think I have selected most of the blue colors only, so this way you can change it, the colors. You can also select other colors. I'll show you how to select the hexadecimal codes. Then third one is the diverging one. So I'll plot the profit over here, show each marks of profit here, and then okay, so this one is the default diverging. Let's say I want to bring in my custom made. This one was the diverging custom palette which we have just created. So just click on this and you will see that this is green and red. Okay, so this is my color palette. So this way, just remember, you have to go to my documents, my Tableau repository for here you have a file called preferences.tps. You have to go in there and just edit the code, and you can include color palette for categorical, for sequential, as well as for diverging codes. Okay, so once you have done that, just open the Tableau again, and every color palette which you have made will be available here in the edit colors. Okay, and just one more point, you can go to colorhunt.co. Okay, now here you will see that there are so many color palettes. In case you want to utilize these color palettes, you can just hover on this and you will see the hexadecimal codes, and you can pick these hexadecimal codes and write it in your file. And if you want to go for these shades of one color, then just you can also come here, coolors.co, start the generator. Okay, and once you have the colors, you can hover on any color and you can click here, view shades. Now you will see that there are so many shades of one particular color, and you can get the codes of all these colors over here. By pressing the spacebar, you can change the colors and see whichever is your choice of color. You can just go there and get the hexadecimal codes for all of these. Okay, So this was a small video on how to create a custom color palette in Tableau. I hope you found this video useful. So thank you for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel to remain updated with my new videos. Thank you.